Guys, check it out. We got the 4010 mounted up here on the ceiling. Got all the wires for future use, zip tied nice and clean, and fed straight into the ceiling and back to the closet over here where Grayson's working on the wiring. This customer is also pre-wired, if you're wondering what these are for coax, which probably not going to use, as well as several Cat 6, which is going to be valuable for future HDMI versions.
And IR control.
As well as IR control. Or you could also put an Ethernet tip on it for firmware updates.
Yeah.
If you guys would like us to perform the installation and you're in the Dallas area, just give us a call. Shoot us an email. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.